Got a bunch of these little tabletops to make for a hotel lobby down on South Beach, and using pine. It's gonna get a distressed finish, white paint, and then I'm gonna sand it, and then it'll resemble reclaimed barnwood furniture. I also, you can't really tell here, but I hit it with 24 grit with the angle grinder. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick breadboard end table using my Festool extra large domino. It makes it really quick because I got a bunch to do, and if there's a little bit of warping in the table, I'm not too worried about it, but for the most part this will keep them flat. On the ends of the table I have the center domino and the two on the outside, and then in my breadboard ends at each end I made them a little wider. I slid the domino machine over, see, so it's got plenty of room to move. And when I do these, since this wood is most likely going to shrink a little bit as it's indoors and dries out a little more, I set these further towards the outside. These will get glued in. This one will get glued in on both sides, but on these sides it'll be free to move. I'm doing some one-handed woodwork in here. And so I'm only putting glue on the middle one and a little bit on this board. And before I put these all the way in, you could see that there's plenty of room for this piece to move. And once this one goes all the way down, the center will be fixed and either end of the table is free to move. That's pretty much it. And then I got this one clamped up. Only really need to clamp the middle. And here's one that's finished. Easy.